when I removed the wiper originally, this bit here was all full of the remains of the wiper arm, which is a softer metal. So it looked, well, it looked like the bottom bit there. It just looked all smooth. And I've been round with a wire brush, and I'm going to scrape it with this to make sure all those are clean. And then I'm going to try and put the wiper arm on. If you can see, there's an area here, clean, smooth. And if you look inside the wiper arm, there's also a ridged area inside there. Oops. There, I guess, which is clean and smooth. So I guess that area there would engage with that area there. As per the suggestions on the Pelican forum, I've removed a small area of that wiper, and hopefully when I do up the nut on here, it will cut the splines back in and hopefully re-engage. Suggested on the Pelican forum was to take a small sliver off the bottom end of the wiper arm to allow the splines in the motor shaft to re-engage and cut into the wiper arm again. The wiper arm has been reattached for a few weeks now, and it's still working well. I've used it on numerous occasions. Added a washer just to help tighten it down and recut the splines into the wiper arm itself. You can see it is a bit thinner. Another suggestion on the forum was to put the original wiper arm back and to drill in a key. I'm pleased with it this way, although wouldn't hurt to have tried it the other way either and put in a small key.